G'day, it's Vasil here from the SciPro One team. Today I'm going to be taking you through how to print RF labels for the updated TPG Vodafone specifications. The program in front of you here was developed in-house by the SciPro One team to make this process nice and easy. When we first open the document, one of the first things we want to do is actually set the label printer that we're going to be using. So we click this button here and it gives us an option to select the SciPro One printer, and we're going to go ahead and do that. If we already have data here that's no longer relevant, we have the clear form option, which will remove that. I won't do that for now because I'm going to be using these labels. And then I'm going to skip across to the top of the program where we can fill out some additional information. So firstly, it's asking us for our site name and job number, and I'm going to fill that in now. Below that, I have how many pairs of labels that we're actually printing. So as you can see here, we've filled in 12 data fields, and we're actually going to be printing 12 pairs of those labels, as one label is required on each end of the RF cable we're printing that for. Over here are our data fields. So we have our 150 column and our 250 column. You can easily pick which labels to best suit which cable by looking over the right hand side here where we have a reference guide on sizes. The 150, given its name, is 150 mils long, and the 250 is 250 millimeters long. Once we've done that, we can go ahead and print our labels. We're going to click on the print 150 here, and as you can see, there is a contents page in front of that. Right here, we have the index of all the reference numbers that we have actually put on to our data fields, and then next to that are the page numbers that are associated with this, and this will become more clear in the next screen. Here is the actual data bits that we'll print out. So over here we have our site and job name information, as well as saying start the labels, because this will be an indication of where the labels start, going in order from top to bottom on the data fields that we put in. And as we scroll through this print preview, we can see that it goes through that. You'll also notice down below here is where you have the page number reference that relates directly to that contents page, so it's very easy to find labels when you're on the go. We're going to go ahead and click print now and see our labels come out of the printer. So as you can see, the labels are now coming out. They print out nice and fast. In between each label there is a perforated gap, which make this really nice and easy to fold into a booklet-like fashion when you're done. We'll just want to wait for this sector to finish off printing. And as you can see, this has now been put into a nice little booklet where you can find your labels really easily and on the go. That's the SciPro One RF label printing solution for the TPG Vodafone updated specifications.